Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today I'm real excited to show you a boat we just got into inventory. It's a Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This boat is equipped with twin 225 Verados and is also available single engine. Alright, stepping into the boat here, you'll notice we got a real nice walkway, real deep bench seat that goes across the transom that easily converts into a casting platform. So if you're out fishing, you got a lot of nice space to work with. A lot of rod holders across the back there. Bait prep area with a nice live well, freshwater wash down with a pull-out sprayer. Nice Yeti cooler down there. And this particular boat is equipped with the swim patio, which drops down, and there's a mount for a dive ladder. So if you're hanging out at the sandbar or going diving, it's a great way to get in and out of the boat. Great for if you got kids or dogs. Up at the helm, it's got a Raymarine hybrid touch, GPS chart plotter combo, VHF radio, Bluetooth stereo. Very well equipped boat. Ready to hit the water, definitely. Off the back, this one's got the Sure Shade, which is a great option to have in South Florida here. Keep you out of the sun. This boat's designed for versatility, so it can be a hardcore fishing machine, but if you just wanted to go out pleasure cruising, you got a lot of nice spots to lay out. Got this double wide lounger. And then these spots up here have the adjustable backrest, which you can lay down and use as a casting platform again if you're out fishing. Got a nice windlass up at the bow. Got an elbow bracket table mount. And then if you open up this lounger, you'll see why they call it the garage. It's very deep. You got a nice spot for dive tank racks. But please come check out the boat for yourself in person. Again, my name is Jordan at MarineMax Palm Beach. You can call me on my cell, 561-427-9217. Look forward to seeing you.